So here's a quick tutorial on how to do today's warm-up in case you missed the beginning of class today. So you're going to go to, oh, we're already in science course. Let's go to Unit 1. Oh, Atticus has to log in. Atticus is logging in. And Unit 1 resources, there's a folder called Daily Warm-Ups. So you go to Daily Warm-Ups and you can see all the warm-ups we've done so far. You need to do yours. So you're going to go ahead and click on the 9:15 warm-up. That's our project for the day. So we're going to create a table like this in our warm-up document. So Atticus is going to go into his warm-up document. We're going to add a new date. Today's date. Oops. 18. And now I'm going to go up here to Insert Table. You see, you get this cool little graphic over here. We want a table to be 5 wide by 5 long, 5 by 5 table, and then just click that. And now I've got a cool 5 by 5 table right here in my document. So now, if we come over here, we're going to populate all these values in there: mass, initial volume, etc. So let's go mass, and I'm going to put an object in there too. Just mass of object. Initial volume. Volume. I'm going to put final volume. It's not exactly what's in the other one, but do a little extra here. Final volume. Volume of water plus object. And then this one is going to be volume of the object. And then here we're going to get density. And density equals mass divided by volume. So now we've got all the headers in our table. Come back over here. Let's do the first row together. We've got 12 grams, 20 milliliters for the initial volume, and 24 milliliters for the volume of the object plus the water. So let's go 12 grams, 20 milliliters to start, and 24 milliliters is our final volume. To calculate the volume of the object, we subtract the initial volume from the final volume. So 24 milliliters minus 20 milliliters will give us 4 milliliters. The density is the mass of the object, 12 grams, divided by the volume of the object, 4 milliliters. So 12 grams divided by 4 milliliters equals 3 grams per milliliter. Okay, so that is how you're going to fill in your table. And if you want to, you can probably do some formatting if you like doing that kind of thing. Comment, highlight. Well, I can't think of it. We'll just make these bold for now so we can at least see the difference in the title. But if you want to do other formatting, you can. But that is what you need to do for today's warm-up. Good luck, everyone.